If you're not sure what to grab so that you can decorate your home for fall, stay tuned. I've got you. I'm gonna share everything I got for the season and where you can go grab it so you can find the best finds. Hey Decor friend, I'm Tamara with Design Your Way Home, and I believe that decorating should not be difficult. So welcome to my internet home, where I break down decorating into easy to follow steps so that you can confidently turn your house into a home you love, one small space at a time. Okay, so if you watched my previous videos, I went to several stores this season. I went to Home Goods, Pottery Barn, Kirkland's, At Home. Yeah, I went to a lot of stores and I got a lot of accessories so that I could decorate my house for the fall season. And today I am going to break down exactly what I got from each store and why. Okay, so one of the places that I did not do a shop with me video on was Amazon. And that's because honestly, I was like, well, how do I show them that I'm just browsing my phone and shopping online? But I will say this, if you would like an Amazon shop with me video for fall or even for an upcoming season like Christmas, let me know. Drop a note in the comments and let me know and I'll make it happen. All right, so this is the first item that I'm opening. This is from Amazon. These are pillowcases. So the thing that I like about this is the color. To be completely transparent, I bought a couple of mustard yellow pillowcases. The one that I'm gonna keep it was a little like too bright for me. This has more of a muted color and I think it's gonna go with the rest of my home decor a lot better than the other color. Could probably, if I'm being honest, do without this stitching on the end, but to be honest, it's also kind of an off-white color, which is what I have on my other pillow inserts. I'm sure it's actually gonna look good, even though initially I was unsure about it. So I can't wait to actually put this on my sofa. All right, so one of the next items I got, if you hear me popping, it's because it is fragile and I'm opening it up. It was wrapped oh so tightly. This is a vase or a vase that's actually gonna go in my foyer. I got this from Kirkland's, and if you notice, it's got this mustard yellow color. If you watched my shop with me videos, you know that I was trying to find a color for this season, and mustard yellow just stole my heart. So you're probably gonna see a lot of mustard yellow in this video, and that's okay. That's my choice for this season. And this will go in the entry, and then as you walk in the house and you see the throw pillows laying around, we've got the mustard yellow. Okay, so also from Kirkland's, I got this very cute pumpkin. It's got the monogrammed H for my last name and something that I didn't realize when I bought it. I didn't recognize this until I got home, but at the bottom, it has a place where I can add some batteries and this lights up. And so this is gonna go in the corner of my kitchen, the perfect height. And I'm gonna be able to turn the light on at night and have a nice warm glow. And looking at this reminds me to tell you that when you go shopping, make sure that you take a tape measure. If you're on my email list, you've heard this tip time and time again. This is just a friendly reminder. And it's for things such as this. I actually don't have a lot of space between my countertop and the bottom of my cabinets. And so there have definitely been times where before I started taking my tape measure and measuring distances in my home, I would go and buy something, get it back, and then be upset that it didn't fit in the space that I had planned for it. So I knew how much space I had in between, and I knew this would fit. So tape measure, take it with you, stick it in your purse, leave it in your car. It makes a world of a difference when you're shopping for not just accessories, but furniture for your home as well. Okay, so the next item that I got from Kirkland's were these cute pumpkins. I'm gonna put these pumpkins in a dough bowl that goes on top of my dining room table. And I'm gonna mix these bowl fillers, which are a mixture of pumpkins and berries. And this is gonna be a lot of nice variety, different size, different color pumpkins, and other goodies. All right, so some more items from Hobby Lobby. I got this cute pumpkin. There are a few places that I'm thinking about putting it, and that's okay. I'm not a believer that when you go shopping, you have to know exactly where you're gonna put something. I think that as long as you really love it, you should know in your mind 2 or 3 different spots where you could use it and you can move it around. Where I think people get in trouble is if you buy something and you have no idea where you can use it. But this, I could actually put this on the corner of my kitchen cabinets. I could actually put this pumpkin on my entry table in the foyer, and I could put it on, I could put it on my desk. There are a lot of places that I can put this, and I think I'm gonna have fun decorating, deciding exactly where it will go. And the other item that I got from Hobby Lobby, I just think it's so beautiful. Let's see if you can get some of the wood texture. It says grateful, and I love different wood textures. And this just screamed out to me. The plan is to put this on the entry table and add some wood texture to the front entry of my home. All right. Here goes the other item that I got from Hobby Lobby. It is a table runner. This table runner is 72 inches long, which means that it is not gonna the full length of my table and drape over. And that's okay. I have a super long dining room table. And there is a way to work around it if your dining room table is longer than the runner. And so I'm excited to be able to show you guys how you can actually use a table runner that's too short and still have it work for your table. Back to what I got from Amazon. These are floral picks. You can see I've got the mustard color. I've got kind of a peachy color. And then some of the burgundy. Those are the colors that I was seeing this season and I really liked it. I was inspired by the picks that I saw at Pottery Barn. Getting them from Amazon, they are a lot less. I will say that I plan on putting these most likely in the vase that you saw earlier, but I also have some other ideas in store if that doesn't look right. So like I said before, it's okay to get something when you don't know exactly where to put it, as long as you have a few options. Okay, I also got these kitchen towels from Amazon. So my current kitchen towels are a blue color, which I love. Blue, especially light blue, spa blue, almost a Tiffany blue. It's a blue that I have in my home year round, and it works. So this mustard yellow is actually gonna go very well with that blue because I have paintings in that color. This mustard yellow also reminds me of gold, which I have in my kitchen from the gold fixtures. And I'm excited to switch up my kitchen towels for this season. I think this is gonna be a very good look. So if this video is helpful for you so far, then click the like button so others can see it. And then don't be shy about hitting that subscribe button. I'm gonna keep giving you helpful decorating videos, and hitting the subscribe button will make sure that you know about them.